A broken clock loses 1 minute every 2 hours. How much time in hours does it lose in a 7-day week? Consider this the clock which loses 1 minute. Losing 1 minute means if it starts from 12 am, when it reaches to 2 am, it is not exactly showing 2 am, but 1 minute 50, 1 hour 58 minutes. So it's not exactly at 2, but here 1 past 59 minutes. So it's not at exactly 2, but somewhere here 1 minute behind that. And this is what losing 1 minute means. So when it travels, so when it clicks, so when it ticks for 2 hours, it loses 1 minute because it's broken. When again it starts ticking from 2 to 4, it loses 1 minute. That means from 12 to 4, it has already lost 1 plus 1, that is 2 minutes. Then from 4 to 6, it has again lost 1 minute. And total it has lost 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minutes. And from 6 to 8, again 1 minute, and 8 to 10, 1 minute, and 10 to 12, 1 minute. So total time that it has lost is 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 minutes it has lost in 12 hours. Now consider that you have to reach your school at exactly 8 am. So how much early you have to leave so that you reach exactly at 8 am? Since your clock is losing time, so how much time you need extra, or how much early you need to get up? So if the clock is starting from 12 am, by the time it reaches to 8 am, it has already lost 1 minute, plus 1 minute, plus 1 minute, plus 1 minute. So it has total lost 4 minutes. So you have to keep in mind that you leave your house 4 minutes early so that you reach your school at exactly 8 am. That is what losing time in your clock means. Now let's calculate how much time it will lose in 24 hours, because 24 hours is equal to 1 day. And if we can calculate the time lost in 1 day, then we can calculate the time lost in 7 days using the unitary method. So let's use the unitary method. In 2 hours, clock loses 1 minute. So in 1 hour, the clock will lose 1 upon 2 minutes. Therefore, in 24 hours, clock will lose 1 upon 2 times 24. Now 2 times 12 is 24, equal to 12 minutes. So this 12 minutes we can also calculate from here. In 12 hours, the clock is losing 6 minutes. So 12 plus 12 hour will mean 6 plus 6 minute loss equal to 12 minutes. That means in 24 hours, the clock loses 12 minutes. And this 24 hour means 1 day. That means in 1 day, clock is losing 12 minutes. You can calculate how much is the clock losing in 7 days. So in 7 days, the clock is losing 12 times 7 is equal to 84 minutes. So in minutes we calculated. How can you convert it into hours? Because we have to write the answer in hours. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, or we can write 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Using the unitary method, 1 minute will be equal to 1 upon 60 hour. When this quantity is supposed to be less, we divide. So we know that 1 minute will be obviously less than 1 hour. So we put this number in the denominator. 84 minutes will be more. So we multiply here. Now we have 84 upon 60. Let's divide. 60 times 1 is 60. Subtract. 24 is less than 60, so we write it, put a decimal here and write 10 here. 60 times 4 is 240. Cancel it out. So it is equal to 1.4 hours. So the clock will lose 1.4 hours. How did you calculate it? Let me know in the comment section.